sunod ko po na tanong sa inyo 'no, going back to this topic natin. Maraming mga kritiko nagsasabi that the Vice President's lawyers and even the Vice President, they were saying na ginagamit nila ang taktika ng technicality para i-obstruct ang proceeding sa Committee on Justice sa Kamara knowing that they already did it on the first round. Ano po masasabi niyo diyan?
Critics. The word critics. Again,
I wanted to I think add additional information. Yung nangyari kasi sa first round, ang sabi kasi ng Supreme Court, yung issue ng yung issue ng session days versus sa calendar days. Pero deliberately sinasabi ng Supreme Court, hindi nila sinasabi that the whole proceeding or even VP Sara is, impeach
yes,
para
yes.
ma-impeach. I think we just need to a little bit tweak yung na kwento nyo